Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by setting a firm foundation. Pick 60 FPS or higher to reduce stutter. Once done, clean up your keyframes so extreme jumps disappear. Change linear to Bezier where motion should ease. You should also enable subtle motion blur or frame blending to mask micro jitter. Make sure to preview at full resolution and real-time speed so you see true behavior, not a slowed simulation. These first actions immediately reduce perceived roughness and reveal deeper timing issues to fix next. You now focus on the middle work, refine timing and interpolation with intent. Once you open the graph editor, smooth velocity peaks and add ease in or ease out to eliminate pops. Think of motion as acceleration, not instant jumps. Make motion paths cleaner and break long actions into micro keyframes so secondary motion reads naturally. You should also stagger related elements slightly to avoid mechanical synchronicity. Keep previewing at 100% speed, so each adjustment shows its real effect. You finish by polishing and producing a test render. Run a final cleanup pass, remove stray keyframes, and add subtle secondary motion for realism. Once done, render with temporal anti-aliasing or a higher frame rate to preserve smoothness in playback. If you still see jitter, isolate layers by hiding elements or disable plugins to find the culprit. Often a single mistimed layer or effect causes the problem. Make sure to iterate quickly and compare before and after clips to confirm improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.